Let us begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. When you launch the application, you will see the familiar interface that allows you to create or edit your presentations. Take a moment to ensure that PowerPoint is fully loaded before moving on to the next task. Now that PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation you wish to print. This could involve opening an existing file from your recent documents list or browsing to the location where your file is saved. Make sure the presentation you want to work with is visible on your screen. This is important because you will soon be customizing the printed output. Once your PowerPoint presentation is ready and open on your desktop, look towards the top of the window where you will find the File tab. Click on the File tab to reveal a menu of options and allow yourself to become familiar with the assortment of commands available. This tab holds many important functions related not only to printing but to saving, sharing, and organizing your work. After accessing the File tab, search for the Print option. This is where you will make choices related to how your presentation is output on paper. Clicking on Print brings up a preview and settings options that allow you to customize many aspects of the printing process. Be sure not to miss this stage because how your slides and notes are arranged on each printed page is determined here. Once in the print menu, direct your attention to the display settings section. You will notice a drop-down element labeled Full Page, which indicates how your slides are normally arranged when printed. Click on this drop-down menu in order to see more printing options. In the list of available choices, locate the option that is labeled Notes Pages. Selecting the Notes Pages option is crucial if you wish to print not only your slides, but also any accompanying notes that you have entered for each slide. These notes can contain important details or commentary meant to guide your presentation. With the Notes Pages option selected, you are almost ready to finalize your print settings. At this point, click on the Print button to initiate the printing process. However, if you wish to save your printout as a file first, proceed by entering the desired file name when prompted. Choose a name that makes it clear which presentation or meeting the document pertains to, and type it in with care. Once the file name is entered to your satisfaction, finalize the process by clicking on the Save and Print option. By following these